Okay, yo. Now this episode we're finna show you how to start your demo. And then when you want to start a real account, it'll be the same way. You'll just go on your back office to sign in and find your broker. Okay? And first of all, when you want to start your MetaTrader 4 demo account, you want to go to the App Store. You want to download MetaTrader 4. That's the one you do. Type it in, download that one. Once it open up, go back, find it, and boom. Then when you go here, it's gonna pop up all the non-11 numbers and all that. You want to tap that and you want to hit that screen right there. Then you want to add one. You want to open up a demo account. I use Chatter forex or Oanda. So you just type in one of those. Make sure you put this deposit is like 3,000, a reasonable number that you can relate to. You don't put no big dumbass number 50,000 in there and you never touch $50,000. Okay. So once you type that, you will register it, and then it will pop up and give you certain numbers. Okay, like go to 3,000. We're gonna register just right now. You said please wait for new account is created. This is what the demo is. Now those numbers you want to keep. You know what I'm saying? You want to take a picture of them, keep them, because you can type these into. You can definitely type those into the computer. You type those numbers in here. Whenever you go there, you would type in when you're gonna log into the trade account. You would type that login and password in here, so then your phone can be connected to the laptop. Okay, but that'll be another video. So now once you got that, you'll screenshot that, keep that, go back. I'm gonna done it, but okay. Then you're gonna pop up with this screen, and then you ready to trade demo. You'll find your pair you want to trade and pretty much go from there. That's about it. That's how you set up a demo. Now, if you want to go live, you will actually go back. You will type in something like that. But you will type in the Oanda. And you will go to secure login. And this is where you will start your live account. Okay. And when you start your live account, it will show you all of this stuff, and you will make sure it say live. You don't want to sign it to no demo. You want to make sure it say live. And when you live it, it's going to send you to this page, and you want to download the MT4 on your computer. That'd be on that. Not on your phone, but on that. But you will use your phone to put in all your personal information. You will take your pictures with your phone, all that good stuff. And whenever you want to get your password for this, you will have to go into view personal information and set it up like that. But that's pretty much how you set up the demo account on MetaTrader 4 on the iPhone. Alright, so now give me a second. I'm finna see if I can show you how to do it on the Android. So give me a second. Let me find my Android phone. Okay, now this is the Android, and it's the same thing. You'll go in the Play Store. You'll do all that, sign in, and then you would pretty much tap up there and do the same thing. Manage your account, add a demo, open up a demo account, same thing. If you wanted to log into the demo or the live, it's the same thing. It's just the Android, so it's basically the same thing. Just a little slightly different off the edge with the like navigating and whatnot, you know. But you'll open a demo account, type in your broker, same thing. Find your broker, the broker that fits you, Oanda. Type it in, demo. It's the same thing. Put in your information. Make sure you use this number as a reasonable number, okay? Don't go trading with 10 to 100,000, 500,000, you know, and then you go in here with $300 and try to trade like you've been trading demo. You got to use that number. to actually make profit. So if you're using this number, the 3,000, and you making $300 a week off that $3,000, you pretty much ready to go live. But you just got to keep it the same way as you're doing in your demo. That's how you make money. The market gonna move how it's gonna move, regardless. All right, so now you got that done, you create an account, boom, all that good shit, and then you go back to your chart, and that's how that one work. Okay, that's how that one work. Okay, so now I showed you how to download the demo on the iPhone and Android. So hopefully it's kind of helped you out a little bit, you know. And there's more to it because whenever you link your phone to the laptop, you can go in here and set like alarms. You put your code in there, and you can set an alarm to the phone to like when notifications hit. So if you're waiting for price to hit right here, you can send a code from your laptop to your phone, and then it will be like bing, and then you have an alert hitting your phone letting you know that it's time to do what it needs to do on the laptop. Alright, so that's about it. Wasn't feeling too good yesterday, so feeling better today. So y'all check this out, open a demo, and shit, start trading. And next month you should be ready to go live and get this money like we do. Big up to Ilski for the beats. Y'all check out Big Business Frenchies. Yeah, holla back.